Once there was a gathering of birds in a forest. It was being thought that who would become the king of the birds of the forest. It was decided that the one who would be the most powerful, humble, and intelligent, and would be able to keep the entire bird society united, would become the king of the birds of the forest. Then a bird stood up and said, "I am the most powerful, humble, and intelligent among all of you. So I will be the king here." Hearing this, another bird nearby said,
"No, I'm the most powerful and intelligent. So I will be the king of this place."
Now both the birds started arguing. Both started counting their merits and the other's faults. The elderly birds decided that a war should be fought between the two, and the one who will win, he will be the king. War starts between these two birds, and one won by deceit. Now everyone declared the victorious bird as the king of the forest and started praising him. Now that bird felt that the news of my victory and becoming the king of the forest should be given to the whole forest, so that all the birds of the forest would come and praise me and consider me the best. Thinking this, the bird sat on the top of the tree and said sternly, "Hey, all the animals and birds of the forest, listen to me and see me. I am the king of you all. And now whatever will happen in this forest, I will punish those who do not obey my orders." When the bird was speaking this, an eagle came swiftly from the sky, swooped down, and grabbed it. He took it and flew into the sky. Seeing this, all the birds were shocked and started shedding tears. Seeing this, an elderly bird said, "Why are you all sad?" The bird which became so arrogant after winning victory was not worthy to be your king. Because when such people become kings, then only sycophants walk. The king has died only because of his pride. After listening to the old animal, all the animals and birds became restless. Swami Vivekananda had said, "Ego makes a person heavy. That's why he can never rise in life, because only light things rise up. So separate the ego from yourself. Then see how wonderful your flight is." If we can understand this meaning, then life will be musical. A very deep thing has been said in the Gita. The more arrogant a person is on the outside, the more fearful he is on the inside. Throughout our lifetime, we have constant encounters with the ego. If you get some good marks in the examination, then the ego. If someone wins in some competition, then the ego. If someone passes the exam, then the ego. If you get a slightly higher position in your office, then the ego. If you become friends with some big and successful person, then the ego. In fact, this ego gives us only one thing. We lose our sense of self because we start believing that what is happening now is permanent and will always be with us. This thinking does not give a person an opportunity to think above a level, and in the end, it does not take long for him to fall into the pit.